What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the Manduli channel. Thank you to everyone. Thank you to you guys for subscribing. Thank you everyone for liking. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please go and subscribe. Go like, share it with someone. Tell that person who you share it with to share it with someone else. And tell that person, you get the point. Anyway, thank you once again. I can't stop thanking you enough for viewing it on all of that. Thanks. Listen, as you can tell from the title, we're about to try and recreate Gordon Ramsay's perfect scrambled egg. Let's see how it comes out. Let's see how it goes. I want to try it. I personally haven't tried it, so I want to try it personally. So let's see how it goes. That's what we're about to get into. Let's go. I've taken 3 eggs. I put them in there, right? I'm just recreating his way of doing it. This is on a cold stove. No heat. That was gonna do it. Alright, so he takes the butter. He takes some butter. As you can see, right there. I'm gonna use my little stick. It's a funny stick, but yeah, whatever. I'm gonna use that. Take the stick, put it in there. Not take the stick, sorry. Take the butter. So the butter's in there. So that's what it does. Butter's in there. He'll season afterwards. Cold stove. Nothing's on. No fires on there. Alright? Put on the heat. So that's how it does it. Now the heat's on. That's cold, remember? That's cold. So I'm gonna put on the heat. Butter's done. I've taken the vine tomatoes while we're there, while we're watching. Vine tomatoes. I'll put them here on the grill. The heat, take them off the heat. So he does it. He does not put salt or pepper in now. He will do that afterwards. Open up the creme fraiche. Nice creme fraiche. Spoon ready. Ready for 1 tablespoon of creme fraiche when it's cooked. So put it on. Stir it. That's on a low heat. What we're gonna do now, when it's about like that. Put that there. That's the toast. Okay, that's on the heat there. See it? Now, I'm gonna season it. A little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. Then tablespoon creme fraiche into there. Just stop it from cooking any longer. And then take our chives in my hand, chives in. There you go. And I'm gonna pour it onto there. And that's Gordon Ramsay's perfect scrambled egg. I promise you guys, this is the way he did it. What's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back. I've already said my intro. You saw the intro. Now, there's the food. There it is right there. That is it. Gordon Ramsay's perfect scrambled egg. There, you saw me make it. That is it right there. I mean, that's it. That is it. I did it exactly. Yeah, so this is it. This is it, guys. You may criticize it the way you want, but I think it's time. I think it's time to try it. I think it's time to try it. I think it's time to taste it. No more talking. Let me try it. I think it's good. I think it's good. I think it is really good. I think the chives do it well. With the toast. Yes. Try them with our little friend Tabasco. Let's try it with him. I think you should try it, guys. Creme fraiche. Creme fraiche is obviously one of the main ingredients. Yeah. You know what? A really fancy hotel, I could definitely see them serving this. I could definitely see them serving this. Yeah, really fancy hotel. You know, you just get scrambled egg with some toast. I mean, we all love a good breakfast. Very nice. Very nice. Gordon Ramsay, you're the man. They stay moist. You can tell. You can see. Zoom up. Away from him. Yeah, you can see it's moist. Yeah. 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 It definitely does the job. And with the toast, I think with the toast, the key is don't put anything on the toast. Don't put butter, don't put nothing. Just leave the toast plain. Because there's loads of butter in the scrambled egg, and then there's the creme. The creme de la creme. Yeah. The creme de la creme. Yeah. So there's that in there. All in all, all in all, I think Mr. Gordon, you can actually see I'm trying to stop, but I just keep going. Right, that's it. Thumbs up, 10 out of 10, Mr. Gordon Ramsay. 10 out of 10 to you. It's actually my first time trying it. I saw the clip about, that clip is about 4 years old, I think. So it's my first time trying it. Always want to try, I always kept thinking I need to try it, then I never do. You know the way that goes. But guys, please do try it. And please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and please share this with a friend. Tell a friend to tell a friend. And you know how that goes. Thank you so much guys for watching. This was just a quick one, quick review. And I hope you have a good day. Bless up to everyone watching. Bless up to all the viewers. Bless up to all of you guys subscribing. I see you and I appreciate you. So thanks guys. That is it for today. Till the next food review, I will see you then. Crème fraîche, très bien. Au revoir. Nah, that was cool. See you later guys. One love.